Good evening, everyone. My name is Arya Mayur, and today, along with my team, we are going to be presenting our chatbot, Covexa. Covexa is a specially designed chatbot to help spread awareness about the current crisis, the COVID 19 virus. We want to help spread awareness so that we can well equip our users against this virus as well as give them vital information such as where the virus is spreading, how it is spreading, and at what pace. Now, I will hand over the mic to my fellow teammates so that they can explain this chatbot in detail. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Vrinda and I will be showing you how Covexa can help. During these testing times, we need something that can educate and assist the people of our country and even the world. Well, that's what Covexa is for. Covexa's main aim is to inform the people about COVID-19 and provide them with corona tests, but online corona tests. We hope to reduce the strain on healthcare workers as we provide them corona tests, so we will save her. We really hope Covexa makes a difference and all our efforts pay off. Take a look at the deadly virus. So I would like Arya to continue the presentation. Thank you.
We are Team Covexa, and we are a group of Python students from the Muktangan Exploratory Institute. Together, we made Covexa, and Covexa is a software that keeps you up to date on the coronavirus pandemic. It brings all of the latest information within easy reach so that you can look over the facts and make informed decisions to stay safe.
I'm here to talk about what Covexa is. Let's get right into it. Covexa was a project that we created during this ongoing pandemic of COVID-19. So this situation has hit us all, but we hoped we could make a difference and help and assist the people during these tough times. To help and create awareness about the coronavirus, we came together and created Covexa. So Covexa provides all necessary information about COVID-19 to the user. So only after we give people the information, they can understand what this really is and find the precautions and what they can do to keep everyone safe. So therefore, that can reduce the number of cases and it can make a difference. So we're going to give all information about COVID-19 to the user, educate the user about COVID-19. So the total number of cases, the precautions, the way through the virus spreads are what is the information we're going to give. This really will help the user understand what COVID-19 is, giving an all-round view about what it is. Also, we have a special coronavirus test feature which can help so the application asks the user questions and the user responds. So if you have symptoms, it can tell you what to do. So we really hope this helps. And so if you want to know more about us, you can just check the link in the description. That's the link to our website. If you are there, you can check out everything about us.
Covexa works by taking spoken input from the user, and after converting that into text, it tries to match the input with a list of keywords and phrases it has. After it finds a certain phrase, it takes predetermined actions. So, for example, if you ask Covexa, what is coronavirus? Then Covexa will show you an image of the coronavirus and also say a word or two about it. Now, the way it works, Covexa cannot understand context. It cannot understand what is actually being said to it. It just tries to match the words given with a set list of words we have given it. Now, if you ask it, what is the symptoms of coronavirus? What are the symptoms caused by coronavirus? Then coronavirus and symptoms are both keywords for completely separate operations. and this will glitch the program and cause Covexa to say something completely unexpected.
So now let me tell you something about debugging. So as you know, Covexa is a Python-based programming software. And whenever we talk about programming softwares, debugging or troubleshooting are similar kind of terminologies which are used. Now what is exactly debugging? Let me tell you about it. Basically, debugging is when your code goes haywire and it says, oops, I don't understand anything. And you can't run your code. It is due to any syntax error or some small minute mistake you have done in your code. Similarly, while doing a Python code, we faced the same troubleshooting and debugging problem. What did we do? Thus, we followed simple 4 steps. And these 4 steps were finding out the main root cause, which is causing our problem not to get executed. After finding out the main cause, that is the bug in the code, we tried to find various methods to solve it. We had multiple options to say that our code runs effectively. After solving the bug in the code, we then improvised our code. Improvising our code also made us help to make our site and code work efficiently. After that, we just came along with all sets of different codes which give us the optimum output for the following. And thus, we then finally came up with a final debugging code. Thus, we also enjoyed debugging. There were some days where we were like, oh god, what are we gonna do now? Then we did take help of various other streams and thus finally came up with the Covexa code.
I'm Aryan Takakar from Team Covexa. I'm the head programmer and I did most of the programming as well as a couple of slides up for the presentation.
Hello everyone, my name is Ananya and I helped a little bit on the presentation and the pictures. Thank you.
Hello friends, this is Yugashri and I am currently pursuing my engineering from Cummins College. Now as talking about Covexa, my role as a team was the programmer. Yes. So as you know, Covexa is a Python based software. And for programming software, you need a code. To develop this code, me along with my friends developed this code. As you know, due to all this lockdown, we couldn't just come together and prepare any physical bot to help out. So we thought of coming up with a software which would help us in this time. And thus, we came along with the Python-based programming software, which is Covexa, which tells you about what all information you need. That is, it gives you creates awareness, gives you precautions, tells you the number of people which are infected in your surroundings. Also, it has a key feature, that is, it has the special features of having the test, which makes you tell you whether you are affected by corona or not. So do like and share.
Hi, I'm Pranay. I made images for code. I helped in presentation and a little help in site. My role is arts and design.
My name is Arya Mayur and my role is of the journalist. I have to note down all the things that we have done whenever we have met and what we have achieved throughout the days. Thank you.
I am Vrinda. I gave the idea about Covexa. I'm one of the captains and I'm in the presentation team. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Mariman Deshmukh and I'm the team lead for Covexa. So what I do is, I assign people roles. We decide on what to do and roles that they're happy with, of course. And we, sort out in a state of confusion. So I've been working on some things, the presentations, the site. That's what I've been doing. So thank you.
Hello, my name is Kavir and I am in the documentation team, which we also call the tech writer. And I've helped a bit in the code and the website, but what does the documenter really do? So we store all the important links and docs. So, yeah, that's what I have to say. Bye.
Our journey. So when we came together, we started planning and adding in our ideas about how Covexa should be. We thought Covexa should be a bot, but a bot will take a lot of time to make. And the COVID-19 situation was worsening day by day. So we decided to make an application. It was a lot quicker to make and very helpful too. We started the algorithm so that we could make the code. We had many versions of the code. Some of them didn't work and had bugs, but some of them did. But we needed a better code. And that's where our final code came in. We also simultaneously began work on the website and assigning work to everyone. We made multiple pages in the website and filled them with vibrant images and detailed text. So thank you, that's all I have to say.
Hi, I'm Brinda and I will be showing you what we have learned. We did a lot of things like this, and most importantly, we learned teamwork, which is very important. We also learned a lot of new programming, which was amazing. Of course, we had a lot of bugs, so we had to learn how to solve them. But the happiness behind each success was beautiful. Me and my teammates hope to keep learning. I would like Aryaman to continue this presentation. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm going to tell you about what we plan to do. So let's dive right into it. So we are now working around the clock to finish the code for Covexa. It's almost done. We already have a ready prototype, but we still need to, it has some flaws and we just need to debug them and correct them. And then after that, we hope it will assist and support during this pandemic, and we'll make it available for everyone. So after that, we plan to make Covexa a disease information app. So it can tell you about every single disease just on your phone, and it will inform you about every disease, helping you. And then it can also ask you some questions and then identify if you have a symptom, and then it can identify if you have symptoms of a disease and then advise you on what to do. So that's what we plan to do for the future.
Hello everyone, my name is Ananya and I am going to tell you something about coronavirus diseases vaccine. A hint of positivity. Around the world, scientists have the same aim, a vaccine for COVID-19. There is a chance we may soon be immune to coronavirus, but we are still not sure if they have started testing the vaccine on humans, but we sure hope there is a vaccine created. This is a picture of the vaccine. Many doctors have said the vaccine may come till the end of the year, but we have to wait to see. Thank you.
Our institute. Muktangan explores to simulate curiosity and science learning in all age groups. Like students from 5th and above, teachers and community in general. The center is there from past 2.5 decades. Muktangan received widespread recognition and also won some awards. We will send you the link in little time.
Thank you very much for joining us today in this for our presentation. We have come very close to achieving our goal on spreading awareness on this virus. We hope it will help in any possible way. Thank you very much again. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.